Hi guys, good afternoon on a lovely Friday. Hey, Francie, thank you for watching. Uh, Hi guys, I hope you're doing good on a lovely Friday afternoon. This is the end of the week, going to weekend, right? We will be celebrating our rest day for such, right? This is, and by the way, guys, this is live to my live video, JM Teach Back on YouTube. And I also would have a bit another video which I also have another channel which is John Michael Morrow, the same as my account on Facebook. This is JM one more time, the morning ice candy vendor, an entrepreneur, a call center agent, a motivational speaker, and a vlogger. So, and you can also, by the way, guys, follow me to my Twitter account. That's gonna be JM Teachback. JM Bookkeeping Services, and on Instagram, that's gonna be JM Bookkeeping Services. And we have also our page on Facebook, which is JM Bookkeeping Services. Um, Good afternoon, guys. As I mentioned, this is JM for this afternoon's live video. What I want to raise up, guys, is for the teddy bear approach. This teddy bear approach, guys, is very useful both to the business and real life, guys. I, by the way, to Edmond who's watching right now, um, for this teddy bear approach, guys, we would wonder what's a teddy bear approach, right? What's a teddy bear approach in business, in life? If you look into a teddy bear, guys, a teddy bear is an amenable thing, right? Given that it's almost going to be also February 14, right? This is the things that we usually give to our partners for presents and to somewhat like change their mood if they would be like graspy along the way. Um, then definitely this is also a thing uh, that would change the mood of some. In business, guys, this is very also important because why? A teddy bear, guys, is a huggable thing, right? But do you know, guys, this teddy bear approach is very useful because why? A teddy bear, if you put it in one place, catches the attention of the range which you put the teddy bear within, right? In business, you have to know how to draw your customer because nowadays, guys, if you look, by the way, guys, an update which I saw on a live on a video. We are still on MGCQ. That's thing a good thing to know. And with the teddy bear, going back to the teddy bear approach, this teddy bear would get those people within his range, right? And with the pandemic that we have right now, guys, it's really not acceptable. We're in. You don't create something that's gonna be yours, that's gonna be tagged to you, and then it's not gonna be like you sell your product and then you don't find a way to draw your customer from afar, right? You have to get your customers' attention towards you when you are selling because even how far the customer is, you will know that this is Isuke. That's within the range, right? This is also a thing wherein you let your customers be ready um, on given that we have our laws, which we knew that we need to have we need to have somewhat like a mass and a social distancing. But now, guys, if you won't really like somewhat like create your own thing when selling, definitely you're not gonna give your customers the opportunity to wear a mask and do social distancing. Here in Cebu, which I'm based right now, uh, hi Hira, my classmate back then in Ingoog City, Misamis Rental, my hometown. Uh, I will spend my 20 years of that. If you would if you not get the attention of the customer from afar, guys, you are gonna be letting your customer be uh somewhat like uh near to the penalties we're in. If you don't know, you won't be able to wear a mask. Then or there will be no social distancing. What will happen, guys? Then there would be a fine here in Cebu of 1.5 for the first offense. The second one is 3,000. The third is a 5,000 fine, and that has not changed, right? How do you help your customer be aware of that? From how far your customer needs to know that you are within the range, like 10 kilometers before your customer. And that teddy bear does that, right? He gets the attention from afar. From afar, if you're in a mall, you get okay. There's a nice toy. There's a teddy bear from afar. I can give this to my wife. You're gonna be thinking that way, right? In selling, guys, uh, when your customer hears the thing that you do, they're gonna be aware that you are within the range, so they're gonna be ready for the mask. They're gonna be very be ready for the social distancing, and you give your customer a chance to be ready. If the probe comes in, then there would no be there will be no apprehension towards it, and you also would give them the opportunity to somewhat like abide by the law. You're going to be teaching them that way. A teddy bear approach, guys, in business is also good because I've been using it for the whole career of the business that I started from 2010 till now, and it works, guys. What does it do, guys? It somewhat like gives me a constant consistency of if you are into business, this would give you uh, this would give you a consistency of sale, and this will also connect you to your customers because why? If they know you from afar, and if this will be first time customers, uh, they will be able. You're gonna be able to create laughter. Why? The teddy bear approach brings those customers to your end, right? To your end. But with it, guys, if you would create your own sound, you have to remember, guys, that with creating your own sound, this quote, guys, with greater powers comes greater responsibility, which is from Spider-Man, the movie, right? Because like, when you create your own sound, guys, to draw some of the customers that you would see, make sure that you would know when's the right time to use it, when's the right if you change your voice to something else, you know when to change your voice to to your original voice. In that manner, guys, you're gonna give laughter to now at the point that you would also have sale, you will also give laughter to your customer. It connects you to your customer, and in the manner, guys, if you pass by a customer who's grumpy and has a lot of problems that is thinking, you're gonna be able to let him express what he feels or uh, what problem he is really or she is really carrying on, right? You would be able to express that. What? Um, how did you help that customer? You're gonna be able to lighten his mood. You're gonna be able to give him a way wherein he can at the same time you're doing sale, but you're also giving him the opportunity that he could share his problems. And when she or he shares her problem along the way, it connects you to the customer, right? And when you give your um, piece of advice to the customer, then it somewhat is connect you well to your customer. When you connect to your customer, guys, this is what you call also the principle wherein the customers in a business, guys, you have to develop your customer relationship or PR, and that's one way to develop that because why you will connect to your customer. Your customer is gonna have a good experience. He would be sharing your his experience that he encountered today to some of the people that he would be meeting along the way. He would be sharing those that he shared to would share to some other people. And in reality, guys, you're connecting. You're connecting. Or one, you are really growing, and this is through the experience of your customer and the satisfaction that your customer would have. And that's how it works for business, which when I use it, guys. And teddy bear approach to life, guys, is also important, guys, because this things would also uh, when uh, when you are courting somebody, guys. This example, when you are courting somebody, it's not gonna be a stare down to the person that you're courting, right? If you stare to your crush and then you don't initiate something or let you open a conversation with that somebody that you want to court, tendency is you are not gonna be able to connect with that person. Tendency is um 90% it's gonna be a busted experience instead of like the person giving you a yes for an answer and courting, guys, right? uh and then uh you have to initiate that because why? The moment that you initiate, you find ways that that person that you are courting, guys, is gonna initiate a conversation with you. That's a good thing because why? That's already 90% nearer to a yes for the customer, to the person that you are courting. In a family life, guys, um, sometimes, guys, when you're handling your kids, your wife, there are sometimes that your kid and your wife wouldn't open up to you guys, right? How would you open up to your um how would you let them open up to you? You use the teddy bear approach, guys. But um how do you do that? It's like you 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 somewhat like gauge the person that you want them to approach you. You show grumpy mode, or you no. Well, if you're talking to you, no, ano naman, right? Your kid answers you. I see that you have a problem. Can you tell daddy about it? Can you tell mommy about it? If you're a mom, right? Tendency is you are connecting already to your kid. And in that process, the kid shares her or him her his problem. And when he shares his or her problem, it opens avenue wherein you can cancel give advices to that person. What's gonna happen, guys? It's gonna develop a good dad or a good mom's approach rather than shouting at your kid. You're saying, uh, look at these two scenarios. Yes, you're gonna say, "Nak, kamayan mo grado. Ano mo ning ano? Ano mo, di ba? That's a different approach. I don't. Nak, sabi ba? Sabi ba? Sabi mo da, nak, kuha na kikaroon na. Sulti ko na ko sa mo. Unsay mo gibati ro. Unsay mo problema. And then that kid shows up, opens up to you. Then you will then be able to analyze how you approach the kid. I see na you have this kind of bad grades, right? You said you didn't have any projects at all. You said you wanted mom and dad to be with you to help you in solving your problem, right? Okay, now here's what we will do. You involve them in that solution, and then what happens, guys, is you connect with your kid, and then when you connect to your kid, then you will find solutions. You're gonna be build a greater connection with your kid, and then your kid's not gonna be ashamed to telling you her problems. This might be love life, this might be financial kind of thing. And guys, for this video, guys, I hope you have takeaways from it. And if you have some comments or shout outs to the person that you want to be um uh that you want to have a name that you want to be shout, hit on the comment button. And by the way, guys, shout out to all the Grab, the Food Panda delivery persons that are right now in each of their stores. I hope you're doing good. Just have a positive mindset, guys. And we for Grab, Food Panda Express drivers, you will be able to get that quota. Just have a positive mindset on it, even though it's raining, a little bit raining right now, guys. And this is by the way, guys. You can also catch me to my live videos to my two channels on YouTube. That's gonna be JM Teachback and John Michael Morrow. You can hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. It, as I mentioned, if you want to have some people that you want me to shout out, hit the comment button and get low, guys. You can also, by the way, follow me through my Facebook Live here on my account. You can also, by the way, follow me through my Twitter account. It's going to be JM Bookkeeping Services. And you can also follow me through my Instagram account. That's going to be JM Bookkeeping Services. And through my page on Facebook, that's going to be JM Bookkeeping Services. And soon I'll have my Patreon account, guys. That's going to be JM Teachback on Patreon, guys. Follow me through my videos. For you also, by the way, guys, if you want to have a topic that you'd like me to discuss, feel free to hit the comment button, guys. That comment button won't mind. And once I read those comment button, guys, rest assured, in my next live video, I'm gonna be ready for this. I'll be preparing this, and for those shoutouts, I'll be ready for those guys. Thank guys. This and by the way, guys, this is JM one more time, the Morning Eyes Candy Vendor, an entrepreneur, a call center agent, a motivational speaker, and a beat blogger. Enjoy your Friday. And for those who would be working in our different industries by night, I'm being with you guys. Take care and have a lovely Friday. Bye bye for now.